Hello and welcome to the mikveh Finder. Mikveh Finder is an app built on JavaScript and AngularJS in the front end and Ruby on Rails in the back end. Mikveh Finder is a scheduler app designed for Jewish women to set up an appointment to a place called a mikveh, which is a place Jewish women needs to go once a month to conduct a religious ceremony. This app is designed to help them set those appointments online without the need of any phone calls or search. So how does it work? First, when we log into the website, we have two options. We can either look for a mikveh by a map, or we can look by a list. We have two users. So the first user is going to be an admin user. That's going to be the owner of the mikveh, which is all of the places that we see here. So those users already signed up their places for mikveh, and they can run and manage their schedule from there. And we also have a user that actually set up the appointment. So on this window, we're logged in as a user. So let's take a look how it works. So we can actually search by a map. This will search and focus according to our location. And we can look at all of the available mikvehs in our area. So if we do a map view, we will see that right now we're in San Jose, so we have two locations, and we can choose any of those mikveh. Or we can actually do by a list. We can see all of the list of the available mikvehs, and we can search to see the mikveh that we want to go to. So if we choose mikveh Hayamushka, for example, we will choose the mikveh. Will be directed to this show page that actually gives us all of the information for the mikveh, the location, supervision. We actually see a picture of the mikveh and a map as well. Now we can go and check the availability. Once we checked in the availability, we can actually see the schedule for the whole month for that specific mikveh. Green obviously means it's an open booking, and red it's a closed booking. So if we would like to set up an appointment for this upcoming Friday at 8 p.m., we will simply press and confirm the appointment. Once the appointment is confirmed, on the back end it's gonna send an email both to the customer and to the owner of the mikveh and notifying them of their appointment. Same goes for canceling and rescheduling appointment. So now we're actually directed to the dashboard. We can actually see the appointment. Now that's all the user side. We also have the admin side. So I'm gonna switch now to an admin using an Incandigo window so we can see how it looks in the user side, in the admin side. So that's our admin. So if we will look at calendar, we will see all of the available appointments for that specific customer, for all of those customers. So this specific mikveh owner is Marissa, and those are her customers. And we can see and go inside of the appointment and check, see the name, the email, and all of the relevant information. We can also cancel the appointment, and we can even start a one-on-one chat with the customer. So, for example, in this example, we would like to speak with Sonia, would like to speak with the mikveh owner. We can simply go to chat room, Marissa, that's the owner of the mikveh, and we can ask any question that we have. For example, how much it cost price for visit. And before we send this message, we just see it's going to be a live chatting. So if we go to the chat room and we'll go to Sonia, once we'll enter the message, we can actually see that it's gonna get received instantly on their side. So we ask how much is the price for the visit. We can already see we're seeing it in the other window with the other user, and we can say $25. That's demonstrating the ability for one-on-one chat. Also, a user, like we said, can take a look at all of his available appointments and cancel his appointment, schedule his appointment, chat with the customer. And the final section we have is actually a Q&A section that any user can post a question, and we have an admin user that can actually answer those questions. We'll go to Ask the Rabbi. All of those questions were asked from previous users. Once a new question is added in, before regular users can see it, it will show up for the admin side with answer, edit, or delete options. Once an answer is posted, it will post at the main website. That's it for the mikveh finder, and thank you for watching.